Hello students, myself Manoj Kumar. Today I am going to start the video multiplication and the division of the fractions. Once again, in this video we shall discuss about the assessment 8 which is based on the MCQ type of the questions. This assessment has a two parts, question bank 1 and the question bank 2, which is mostly question is based on the MCQ type. This type of the question is very useful in class test. Now guys, first, we go to the first questions. Rita had 5 by 6 of the cake. She ate 2 by 3 of it. What part of the cake did she eat? When we multiply this 5 by 6 to 2 by 3, we get the 5 by 9. And how can we find it? When we multiplied this 5 by 6, 5 by 6 is multiplied by which number? 5 by 6 is multiplied by 2 by 3. Which numbers? 2 by 3. So now guys, this is multiplied into 2 by 3. We get, yes, 2 by 3. And now when we cancel to it and we find, how can we cancel it? To each other above and the below. 2 1 ja 2 and 2 3 ja 6. So in this way, we can find the product of these two numbers. We get the 5 1 ja 5, here we get the 5, and now 3 3 ja 9, this is the 9. So in this way, our answer will be 5 by 9. Now guys, how can we find the reciprocal of 3 whole 1 by 2? Firstly, we will change into this 3 whole 1 by 2 to the simple fractions. And how can we change into the simple fractions? Now when we multiply this 2 into 3 into 1, we get the 7 by 2. We get the 7 by 2. And now write the reciprocal. Which is the reciprocal of 7 by 2? Yes, reciprocal of 7 by 2 will be 2 by 7. So then our answer will be 2 by 7. This is the option B is correct. And now question number 3. What is the sum of the reciprocal of 8 and 1 by 6? Firstly, we will change into the reciprocal of 8. What is the reciprocal of 8? Reciprocal of 8 is, which number is the reciprocal? 8 is, okay, 1 by 8. Okay. And what is the reciprocal of 1 by 6? And now what is the reciprocal of 1 by 6? Okay boys, reciprocal of 1 by 6 will be 6. According to these questions, what is the sum of reciprocal of 8 and 1 by 6? When we adding this 6 plus 1 by 8, this 6 plus 1 by 8, here we get the 6 whole 1 by 8. Now our answer will be A, 6 whole 1 by 8. And this is the simple method. This is the whole number and this is the part. And when we change into the mixed fractions, we can write as 6 whole 1 by 8. Now here is the question number 4. Sachin reads 3 by 5 of a book. He finds that there are still 80 pages left to the read. Total number of the pages in the book are. How can we find it? First of all, we subtract 3 by 5 from 1 by 1. How does this one comes from? 1 is represent the number of whole pages in the book. When we subtract 3 by 5 from the 1, we get the, which number is here? Yes, we get the 2 by 5 when we subtract it. 2 by 5. And this 2 by 5. And now he find that there are still 80 pages left to be read. And now this 80 pages is the part of fractions 2 by 5. Now when we this 80 is divided by 80 is, boys, 80 is divided by 2 by 5. When 80 is divided by 2 by 5, we write as here 80. And when we change this divide into the multiply, then 5 goes to the above as a denominator and the 2 comes is here as a denominator. And now when we cancel it, 2 1 ja 2, and when we this divided 2, and that means 40. Okay. And now when we multiply this 40 into the 5, we get the 200. Which numbers we get the 200? It means 200 pages a book has. How many total number of pages? 200. That means B option will be correct. Now, here is the question number 5. Jim has a rope of length 5 or 1 by 2 meter. He cuts off 1/3 of it. What is the length of the part is cut? Now, how can we find it? When we multiply this 5 whole 1 by 2 to 1/3 of it, we get this number 1 whole 5 by 6. You know very well about that. How can we find it? And now, what is the question number 6a? The daily consumption of a milk of a family is 2 whole 3 by 4 liter. The quantity of milk consumed by the family in the month of the June. Month of the June. When we multiply the daily consumption means 1 day's consumption of the milk. The quantity of the 1 day consumption of the milk is 2 whole 3 by 4 liters. And to find the quantity of the milk consumed by the family in the month of the June, to find the total quantity which is consumed by the family in a June, then how many days in the June? June has 30 days. Now, when we multiply 2 whole 3 by 4 into the 30, we get the total quantity of the milk. And now, when we multiply this number to the 30, we get the 82 whole 1 by 2 liters. Okay, boys? Now, question number 7 is the very easy. On dividing 7 whole 1 by 5 by 1 whole 1 by 35, we get. Now, this is the very simple questions. 7 whole 1 by 5, given the sign of the division. 1 whole 1 by 35, and when we divide this number by this number, we get 7 as a numbers. Okay. Now, guys, we go to the next question back to. This is the very simple. 1 by 4 of a rupee, and here is the paise. Now we know that very well about that. When we multiply this 1 by 4, 1 by 4, 1 by 4. Okay. When we multiply this 1 by 4. Which number? How many paise in a 1 rupees? 1 rupees has 100 paise. And now when we cancel it, we get which number is get? Yes. Now here we see 4 1 ja 4, and when we multiply this, we get the 25. Okay. Now here is the 4 1 ja 4, and 4 2 ja 8, and 4 5 are 20. So in this way we get the 25 paise. Okay. Now in the same way, here is another question, but here is the year and the month. You know very well how many months in a 1 year? Yes, 12. And when we multiply this 2 by 3 into 12, we get the 8 months. Now in this way we can solve the 5 by 6 of the day. When we multiply 5 by 6 into the 6, how many days? How many hours in a 1 day? 24. When we multiply 5 by 6 to this 24, we get the 20 hours. And now in the same way, 3 by 8 of a kg, and when we multiply 3 by 8 into which number is 3 by 8 multiplied 1000, we get the which answer is correct? 375 gram. Okay. So in this way we can solve the question number D. And how many milliliters? Here is the liter, here is the milliliter. 1 liter has 1000 milliliter. So then when we multiply this 11 by 25 to 1000, we get which number is it? Yeah, 440. You can do it by calculating it. Here we 7 by 50. And now here we see that 7 by 15 of an hour into the minute. How many minutes in the 1 hour? Yes, minutes is 1 hour is 7 into 15, and this is multiplied to 60 minutes. We get the answer will be 28. Okay, boys. Now 28. Now here is the some question which is solved by orally. 0 divided to 2 whole 3 by 4 is equal to 0. According to the properties, we know that when any number is divided to 0 by non-zero, we get the 0. This is the 0, and now there are the same numbers. When we divide the same number to the same number, we get the 1. 6 by 7 divided 6 by 7 is equal to the 1. It means the division is 1. Now, when we divide any number by number itself, we get the 1. And now, this is the another type of the question. Here we see that 0 is the multiplications. When the 0 is multiplied to the any numbers, then we get the product is 0. And now here is the question. This is the very simple. You can solve. But in this question, it said that 0 is divided to 8 whole 8 by 9. We know that when we divide it by 0 to any numbers, any non-zero number, that is not possible. So our answer will be not possible. Now here is the question number 3. How many 1/3 are there in 2? 1/3. How many 2 1/3 is 2? When we 2 divided 1 by 3, we get the 6. And the same way, we can solve the question number B, C, and the D. Now there is the question number 4. We have already learned how can we simplify this type of the multiplication. These type of the multiplication both are mixed fractions. Also, first to solve these questions, we will change into the simple fraction, that means improper fraction, and after that we cancel to above and the below numbers and find the product. And now write the multiplicative inverse. We can find the multiplicative inverse. First, we will change into the improper fraction and write multiplicative inverse. Now, this is the another question, question number C, divide. You know very well about in the previous exercise. And this is the question number 7 to the 14. This type of the question is based on the exercise which you have already done in these chapters. Now, here is the question number 50. The fill in the blank, the multiplicative inverse or 1 whole 2 by 3 is 3 by 5. First of all, we will change into the improper fraction, and after that, we change into the multiplicative inverse. Okay. And now 9 divided 1 by 2 means 9 divided 1 by 2 means now it change when we change into the 9 into 2 is goes to the above and 1 is comes in the below. And now when we multiply 9 into 2, we get the 18 halves in the 9. There are 25 halves when we change into this improper fraction. And now the number which is own reciprocal 1. 1 is the reciprocal of 1 is 1 by 1, that is 1. The reciprocal of the whole number is always a proper fraction. How can we find it? Let us take an example. Reciprocal of the whole number. Suppose that this is the 4. And if you want to write the reciprocal of this 4, we get the 1 by 4. And the 1 by 4 is the which type of the fraction? Yes, this is the proper fractions. And now in the same way, the product of the number and reciprocal is the 1. And dividing by 1 by 5 is the same as multiplied by 5. If 1 is divided by a fraction, the quotient is the reciprocal of the fraction. This is the answer question. And now this type of the true and the false is based on the your properties which you have already learned that in this chapters. Thank you. I hope you understand that how can we solve this type of the exercise, and some questions which is solved by me in this video, and some question which is very easy, and this type of the question is solved by you in the exercise. Thank you for watching my video.